So here it is our data for the problem. Draw a conic curve when the distance of the focus from directrix is 60 mm and the eccentricity is 2/3 and name the curve. With the help of scale, draw a perpendicular line of any dimension and name the endpoints of that line by point X and Y. Now mark any point R on directrix and from that point draw a horizontal line of any dimension. On that line, mark point F 60 mm away from the directrix. Here, eccentricity is given 2/3. So let us understand what is eccentricity. Eccentricity is defined as it is the ratio of distance of the point from focus to the distance of the point from directrix. Now divide line RF into 5 equal parts and mark point V as per calculation from eccentricity. Here eccentricity is 2/3 which is less than 1, so conic curve will be ellipse. From point V, draw a vertical line of any dimension and with the help of compass, take point V as a center and distance VF as a radius, draw an arc to get point S. Draw line RS and extend it. After that, with the help of protractor, measure the angle SRV. Here, angle SRV is less than 45 degree, so we can say that conic curve will be ellipse. Now mark points on line RF on equal interval of 12 mm and name the points as shown. After that, with the help of ruler scale, draw a vertical line parallel to line VS from each point as shown. Mark intersecting points by point A, B, C, D up to point L. With the help of compass, take distance A1 as a radius and point F as a center. Draw two arcs on line A1 to get point P1 and P1'. Take distance B2 as a radius and point F as a center. Draw two arcs on line B2 to get point P2 and P2'. Take distance C3 as a radius and point F as a center. Draw two arcs on line C3 to get point P3 and P3'. Take distance D4 as a radius and point F as a center. Draw two arcs on line D4 to get point P4 and P4'. Take distance E5 as a radius and point F as a center. Draw two arcs on line E5 to get point P5 and P5'. Take distance F6 as a radius and point F as a center. Draw two arcs on line F6 to get point P6 and P6'. Take distance G7 as a radius and point F as a center. Draw two arcs on line G7 to get point P7 and P7'. Take distance H8 as a radius and point F as a center. Draw two arcs on line H8 to get point P8 and P8'. Take distance I9 as a radius and point F as a center. Draw two arcs on line I9 to get point P9 and P9'. Take distance J10 as a radius and point F as a center, draw two arcs on line J10 to get point P10 and P10 dash. Take distance K11 as a radius and point F as a center, draw two arcs on line K11 to get point P11 and P11 dash. Take distance L12 as a radius and point F as a center, draw two arcs on line L12 to get point P12 and P12 dash. Now, with the help of French curve, draw a smooth curve passing through all the derived P points. This smooth curve is known as ellipse. Here, eccentricity is given 2 by 3, which is equal to 0.66. To validate eccentricity, take ratio of distance between focus point to any P point and linear distance between directrix to same P point. You will get 0.66 as an answer. I hope you understood it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box.